It's 9 below zero.
He's blummin' right, you know.
How can they, i.e. the council, destroy the house of Mike?
Listen, Michael, there's no need to worry. I've got a plan with which to thwart them. Oh, God, no sugar.
Oh, wow. A wet bum. Just like far out.
Hey, now we're in the same supermarket and we're not buying peas.
Look, you agreed the council must be thwarted, right?
Hey, does this face empty knickers?
That I don't know. But when the council come to demolish the house tomorrow, Michael, they're going to find it already demolished from within.
Okay, step back, recoil, go previous. I want to study the angles, and hey, I'm not talking about fishing. Give me the letter.
The letter, yeah. With pleasure.
This isn't our house.
Well, whose is it then?
Somebody else's.
Look, when they get back, tell them I'm incredibly sorry.
Well, old man.
Woods and the darkness and the howling wind. Will the snows never cease? They seem to reach back forever.
They began the night Uncle Volga died, on the night we heard the shoot.
If only we were deaf. Remember when this very room was filled with light and laughter and young people. How we laughed.
Was the food richer then? Or have we just forgotten?
It was sort of crunchy. The woods and the darkness and the howling wind. Will the snows never cease? They seem to reach back forever.
Could you be quiet, please? I'm trying to watch my favourite programme. Will you stop it, Vivian?
Listen, if we don't smash the house up, the council are going to demolish it tomorrow.
He's right, you know. They're going to knock the house down tomorrow.
That's That's all very well. But finally, after years of stagnation, the TV people have woken up to the need for locally based minority programs. Made by amateurs, and perhaps of interest to only 2 or 3 people. It's important, right? It's now, and I want to watch.
Nice one, Vivian.
I thought you were dead.
Well, that's no reason to hassle me on the toilet.
Still gonna knock the house down!
And now let's shake some action here on 2 with a new program for young adults. Nosing Around.
Hi, my name's Baz, and me and my mates thought the TV just wasn't now, right? I expect, like us, you're not into all that stuff your old man's into, right? So, we just thought we'd have a programme for us, right? And this is it, Nosing Around. Yeah, N-O-Z, Z for that. It's a programme for young adults, made by young adults, and concentrating on all the subjects that young adults are interested in, like unemployment. Maggie!
Hey! Yeah! Really great! And now I'm going to be looking at what it's like to be a young unemployed adult, because more young adults are becoming unemployed on account of the fact that they can't find work. Basically, the problem is this: if you haven't got a job, then you're out of work. And that means only one thing: unemployment.
Yeah, got you back. All right, yeah. So, thanks a lot, Maggie. Worth listening to. After all, it's our world too, kids. Right. Right.
Really great! Hi! Well, I'm standing up here on this scaffolding because that's what this programme is all about. Shock! Yeah, right, okay.
Okay, thanks a lot there, Maggie. Right, but now it's time to have a bit of a natter with our very special guest, Roland Percival, who's careers officer at East London Poly. Getting down.
Right down, thank you.
Well,
Baz?
Roll, a lot of my mates say to me, "Oh, Baz, what is the point?" What would you say to them?
But surely, Baz, your mates must realise that there definitely is a point.
So, a real message of hope and good cheer there from Roland, a really ace guy. Drop in and see him for a chat at the Poly.
But that doesn't mean I want you to seduce my parrot.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, if you're on the go and see Roll.
Oh, I should stress that you do have to have a degree.
Yeah, right. Okay, thanks a lot there, Roll. But now it's the part of the programme where you, the viewers, get a chance to put your ideas and opinions. New concept, right? Our world too. So, here we go with Street Level.
I'm 16, I'm old enough to marry and have children, but I can't drink in pubs. When will the government wake up and